I recently bought 100 shares of Microsoft at an average cost of $404, and I want to share with you guys why I bought Microsoft stock, what I'm looking for, and why I think Microsoft stock could potentially return 50% over the next 1 to 2 years. This is not financial advice, but this is just me sharing my thought process and logic and what I look for when I enter a position. I'm going to share a quote with you from the famous Charlie Munger, and that quote is, "Buy quality stocks at the 200-week moving average." Now, if you don't know what the 200-week moving average is, it's a trading indicator that you can put on your trading chart. This is Microsoft stock today. It's currently trading at $409. And if you look at this yellow line, this is the 200 exponential moving average, the exact indicator that Charlie Munger was talking about. And if you take a look at this chart, it peaked at highs at 551 and it's down 30%. I bought 100 shares at an average cost of $404, right at this level right here. And if we look at Microsoft on previous weekly timeframes, you see here at 342, it dipped to the 200 EMA, or roughly. And then it ripped from 342 all the way up to 552. Then I believe this was back in 2022. It hit the 200 EMA and it went from roughly around $210 all the way up to 424 around a year later. We have Microsoft stock again on the weekly time frame. This was all the way back in 2013. You see here that we hit the 200 EMA at roughly around $20 and we doubled all the way to $42 a couple months later. Now, just because Microsoft is at the 200 EMA right now, does that mean that it's going to rip to highs within the next year? No, it could continue to consolidate. It might even dip below the 200 EMA. However, right now, Microsoft is a very, very attractive entry point to me, and I'm willing to hold on and take a little bit of risk to see what happens. I will note that Microsoft is currently trading at a 21 forward PE, and this is the cheapest Mag 7 stock available. I didn't do any deep diving or fundamental analysis on Microsoft. We all know what Microsoft does. I'm willing to take a stab at 100 shares of Microsoft and hold it for a year or two and then see what happens. All right, guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like and follow for more.